So I make these videos to help all of you freelancers out there with what you're doing. So today I wanted to let you know about something that you're not doing, something that you're not taking advantage of, and something that you're not making use of that you should be, because quite frankly, there's a lot of good stuff out there that you are not accessing. So what is this that you're not accessing? What is this that you're not making use of that you could be? Well, it's a YouTube channel made entirely by a freelance consultant. She works as a freelance consultant, meaning she consults for other businesses to help them grow and do better and do more business. And she provides a lot of videos with free advice. She has close to 100 videos with free advice, all for freelancers and people running their own business and how to do so better. And she is, coincidentally, my sister. But yeah, she has a channel. It's called Consultant Corner. And I'm saying this because I know a lot of you, most of you don't check out that channel, but I know, it's full of a lot of good information. Not only is good information, but this is stuff that a lot of people pay quite a bit of money for, when they hire her and hire people like her for their own company. She charges quite a bit, I can tell you, for her expertise. And here she's giving it away for free. And it's all there on her channel. The channel is called The Consultant Corner. And it has, it's full of tips, tricks, ideas, and stuff like that for entrepreneurs, freelancers, people who run their own business, and stuff like that. So, do check it out. She has regular videos. I think twice a week is when she has videos out. I might be wrong about that, but definitely check out. I'll link obviously to the channel down in the description below, but check it out. It's called Consultant Corner. And yeah, it's relevant to all of you if you're freelancers working from home, quite frankly. And it has a lot of good information out there. And so even though this brings you to another channel and takes traffic away from my channel, I still think it's good and helpful to you. And so I'm recommending you do so. By the way, also for you Italian speakers, she has another channel called ora non mi riesce più a parlare, scusa, devo cambiare da una lingua all'altra, però si chiama Angolo del Consulente. And Angolo del Consulente talks more about becoming a freelance consultant. Of course, it's all in Italian, but if you do speak Italian and you are interested in becoming a freelance consultant and you're working for yourself as a consultant, then be sure to check out Angolo del Consulente. I'll link to that channel as well down in the description below, so that you can access that one as well. That's pretty much all I wanted to say. I do think it's you'll find a lot of useful information, and like I said, it's close to 100 videos, and there's useful stuff there. So you should check it out because it'll help you out for your business. And that's all I have to say for today. So I will talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye. Saludos.